How to win Puppy Keep on Shein. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you open up the Shein app, make sure it's updated, and you will find the Puppy Keep game or banner. Next, you will need to play the game. You usually take care of virtual puppy, feeding, playing, and baiting it. You keep the puppy happy to earn points or hearts. And how can we win? You can win by completing daily tasks such as logging in daily, sharing the game with friends, buying something, and also watching videos, which is gonna give you more rewards. Now, the fifth step will be redeeming or entering giveaways. You can use the points or hearts to enter raffles, spin wheels, or redeem prizes. The grand prize is sometimes a real puppy, but more often it is puppy-related merch. If you want to win, you want to play every day, don't miss out daily tasks, invite friends for bonus entries, and be patient as winning may take some time. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.